Hey everyone, I'm Frank from UPDF. If you can open a PDF, but you can't copy or edit or print that PDF, then this video is for you. UPDF helps you remove those restrictions when you have a PDF that you already have the password or permission to, but those restrictions are in place. You can remove those restrictions from the PDFs that you own and that you're authorized to edit. So click the link in the description and follow me step by step as we remove PDF restrictions safely with UPDF. Now, before we start, we're going to check to see what's blocked in your file. Some PDFs will ask for a password to open, some will open but still block editing and printing, and we're going to look at how we can remove those restrictions. UPDF comes with a simple remove security option that unlocks your restricted PDF once you confirm that you have access to it. So it helps you save a fresh copy without having those limits in place. You can then work more freely with the PDF, and after that you're free to edit your PDF pages on your computer. So follow along the steps that I'll show you, and you can see how we can do that with UPDF to get our PDF editable, copyable, and be able to print it. First of all, search for UPDF on Chrome or any other browser, and when you see the search results, you'll see that you can download UPDF. There'll be a link there for you to download it, and that'll open up the main download page. On that page, when you press the free download option, it'll download the latest version of UPDF. It's a version that doesn't require any updates until the next version is released. Once you download and open UPDF, you can click the Open File button. Then all you need to do is choose the locked PDF file that you would like to unlock. Next, you'll enter the open password and click the Unlock button in order to open this restricted PDF. After that file opens, you'll need to open the Save menu and click the Remove Password option. Now, choose a new location and save the unrestricted copy of the PDF. Afterwards, the unrestricted copy will be opened automatically. In this unrestricted PDF, you can edit and copy all of the texts and images. UPDF also lets you print the unrestricted PDF with different page sizes and orientations. If the PDF pages need to be rearranged or rotated, you can access UPDF's Organize Pages feature to do this. When you have a file appears scanned and the text in the document is uneditable, simply use the OCR feature and select the correct language that you'd like to use to make the PDF editable. With UPDF Mobile, you can open restricted PDFs on your phone and unlock them after entering the password. It helps you create a cleaner, unrestricted version that stays with you across your devices. You can quickly switch between desktop and mobile, so your unlocked PDFs are always within reach. So follow the steps with me to see how you can do that with your PDF. First, download and open the UPDF app on your mobile device. You can download it on the App Store or the Play Store, depending if you have iOS or Android device. Then tap on the plus button. Next, you'll need to press the Files option and select the locked PDF that you want to work with. Enter the password to open the PDF so you can begin working with it. And once the restricted PDF is open, tap the three dots in the top right corner, then tap the password option. Now tap the Remove Password option. Then UPDF will ask you for confirmation to remove the protection password. You'll tap Yes to confirm. Next, open the unrestricted copy of the PDF and copy the text to confirm that the restriction has been removed. But note that UPDF cannot remove or guess unknown passwords. You must already know the password for the file that you wish to remove restrictions from. If the Remove Security option does not appear, that PDF might not support changing its protection settings. In that case, you may need to keep using the file as it is or contact the document owner. When you want a dedicated option for unlocking PDFs, aJoysoft, a UPDF companion tool, can help. It lets you import a restricted PDF, enter the password, and quickly generate an unlocked copy. So let's take a look at the steps so you can understand how to do that with your PDF. First, you need to access the aJoysoft official site and press the Try It Free button to download it for free. Once downloaded, you install it onto your PC. After the tool is installed, open aJoysoft and press the Add Files button to import the restricted PDF into the tool. Once the locked PDF opens, click the Remove Password button and select the new location to save the new PDF file. This way, aJoysoft will save an unrestricted copy of the PDF that you can edit, copy, and print as you like. Now you might be thinking, how can you purchase this tool? The good news is that you don't need to purchase aJoysoft separately. UPDF Pro users can get aJoysoft access for a lifetime by simply contacting support@superace.com using your registered account email. They will provide you with a redemption code that you can then use to get access to the tool. Let's go to the UPDF pricing plans page, and here are the plans that will make you eligible to get access to aJoysoft. There's the UPDF Pro Annual plan and the Pro Lifetime plan. There's the Pro Annual plus AI bundle and the Pro Lifetime plus AI bundle. You can click the link in the description below to check out the pricing of these plans. Well, that wraps up our walkthrough on how UPDF can help you remove PDF restrictions when you already have permission to those PDFs, but there's restrictions on them with your desktop, your mobile, and using aJoysoft options. You can unlock and manage your PDFs more smoothly and work with them more effectively. Download UPDF and aJoysoft from the links in the description and try it on a PDF that you're authorized to edit but might have some restrictions. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss another tutorial.